Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Talk OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well, and I hope you people are following many of the very informative videos regarding the ASO examination. And today is a very important and informative video. So do like the video in the starting itself. Many of you are forgetting to like. If you will like a particular video, that will be added to your like section, and whenever you require you can directly go down there and you can play the video in 1.5 or even 1.75 speed, and you can revise many aspects specially. And to inform all our crash course ASO crash course subscribers, today we will be uploading history part 1. Remember, history part 1 will be given to you. So whatever I am giving, do revise as much as you can on that day itself. मु कहबा को चाहूची जो माने भी हमरो क्रैश कोर्स नै चंदी से माने आजी करंट अफेयर टेस्ट 8 अपलोड हबो आउ हिस्ट्री पार्ट 1 अपलोड हबो टेलीग्राम चैनल रे फॉर एसो क्रैश कोर्स पार्टिसिपेंट. जो दिन जो टास्क दिया जाए से दिन ही से टास्क कंप्लीट करंतु. एंड आई एम टोटली फोकस्ड फॉर मेकिंग योर स्कोर 85 टू 90 मार्क्स. मोर टार्गेट होची हमरो जेतिकी सब क्रैश कोर्स सब्सक्राइबर अछंती सेमानंकु स्पेशली फॉर जनरल अवेयरनेस पेपर रे 85 टू 90 मार्क्स रखेबा पई. प्लीज डू कोऑपरेट बाय कंप्लीटिंग द थिंग व्हिच एवर आई एम गिविंग ऑन दैट डे इटसेल्फ. सेही दिन ही आपण सब जागो कंप्लीट करंतु. दैट विल बी द बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन एवर डू. स्पेशली if you are having any weakness like Odia, English, math and reasoning, you can say make up all the thing you can make up in your general awareness paper. So for that reason only you have to be active, proactive in your studies. Tomorrow proactiveness darkar. And to our new YouTube subscribers, we have already published our book for OPSC OCS prelim examination, but this book is very much, you can say, effective for ASO examination also. Except ancient or medieval portion, the rest of the entire book will be helpful for ASO examination. Many of the ASO aspirants have already taken and they are giving good review. If you have not ordered it or if you have not got it, please get it as soon as possible. It is going to help you for your revision of general studies portion, and especially this book is generally error free. You can say there are so many other books are there in the market which are having so much of a error, and if you will be having this book, you can be rest assured that the answer key which we have provided and descriptive format also, we have given the answers in descriptive format also, which will help you in enhancing your general awareness. So it is very much helpful. It is available in Bhubaneswar, the Master Canteen Padmalaya bookstore, then Bani Vihar Malaya bookstore below the overbridge, then in Kotak you will be getting it in Manas Bhai bookstore Raja Bagicha, and Vijay bookstore, Vijay book depot in front of the Revencha University gate. In Barampur you will get it from me directly, or you can get it from Murthy News Agency Old Bus Stand and our Pustak Mandir. So these are the places. Except rest of the Odisha student, you can directly order it from me. You can directly contact 9937626493 and order the book by doing the payment. Generally in Odisha the parcels are reaching around 2 to 5 days. Out of Odisha it is reaching from 5 to 8 days. So this was it. Today we will be discussing a very important thing. 2019 ASO question of United Nations and Defense Forces. See, OPSC ASO is asking many questions related to United Nations and Defense Forces. And these are very important. You have to be very much, you can say, proactive in order to grab this kind of a question and score. Check which is not an agency of United Nations. Check which is not an agency of United Nations. See, is it A, International Committee of Red Cross? Is it B, FAO? Is it C, IMF? Is it D, ILO? Try to pause this particular question and answer it. The answer here is International Committee of Red Cross. International Committee of Red Cross was established in 1863 by a Swiss businessman, Henry S. Dunant. 1863, remember 1863. And this is one of the most decorated organizations. It has got Nobel Peace Prize 3 times, 1917, 1944 and 1963. So very important. Red Cross Society is there and its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Then coming to FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, its headquarters is there in Rome, Italy. Then IMF, International Monetary Fund, headquarters is there in Washington DC. Then ILO, International Labour Organization, its headquarters is there in Geneva, Switzerland. So answer in this particular question is International Red Cross Society, Red Cross. Then which of the following country is not a permanent member of United Nations Security Council? UNSC. See, India is growing in power politically as well as economically. India is asking for United Nations Security Council permanent membership. There are 4 nations which have formed a group of G4, and in that particular G4, which are the countries are there? Germany, then Brazil, Japan and India. 4 countries are having this particular G4 nation. They are asking for United Nations reform in order to get the permanent membership. See, 1945 when United Nations was formed, especially it came out of World War II. After World War II, माने वर्ल्ड वार 2 पर जो सिचुएशन क्रिएट होता से टाइम रे जो माने डोमिनेंट मेंबर थिले से माने ही परमानेंट मेंबरशिप निजको दे दिले. फॉर एग्जांपल अमेरिका, देन ब्रिटेन, देन फ्रांस, देन रशिया एंड चाइना. ये जो 5टा मेंबर थिले से टाइम रे डोमिनेंट इन वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिक्स से माने निजको ही 5टा परमानेंट मेंबरशिप देले. तापरे कोन होला कि नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर केते 10टा नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर. फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन, इंडिया has become a non-permanent member recently. Remember, very important. India has become a non-permanent member for a 2-year tenure. 2 वर्ष पई एबे recently India गोटे non-permanent member अच्छी. Very important. So answer in this particular question is Japan. Japan सेथिरे non-permanent member नहीं. There is another question they can ask you is United Nations रो official language कौन? Remember this particular word, FRESCA, FRESCA. If you remember this particular word, then automatically you can expand and know which are the official languages of United Nations. F stands for French, R for Russian, E for English, S for Spanish, C for Chinese and A for Arabic. These 6 languages are the official languages of United Nations. Remember, very important, 6 official languages are there, and remember the word FRESCA and you can expand French, English, Russian, Spanish, then Chinese and Arabic. These are 6 official languages. 2019 ASO question on defense. There are many questions the ASO exam is asking, especially about the defense forces. So let us discuss many important questions. Which Indian Armed Force is observing the year 2018 as year of disabled soldiers in line of duty? Is it A, Indian Army? Is it B, Indian Air Force? Is it C, Indian Navy? Or is it D, Indian Coast Guard? Out of the 4, which one has observed? माने से टाइम रे जो 2018 रे को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थिला जे की year of disabled soldiers in line of duty celebrate करिथिला. The answer in this particular question is Indian Army. Indian Army कौन करथिला कि से ईयर रे जो ईयर रे एग्जाम हेतिला, स्पेशली 19 रे एग्जाम हेतिला, किंतु से 18 रो जो करंट अफेयर क्वेश्चन दा सेटा पचारथिले 19 एग्जाम रे. So for that reason the answer here was Indian Army. Then who has been honored with the DRDO Lifetime Achievement Award 2017? See, exam हेतिला 19 रे, किंतु अब देखो DRDO अचीवमेंट अवार्ड 2017 रो पचारि छी. So you have to be very knowing for that reason only हमर बुक रे आमे कवर करिचु सेप्टेम्बर 2020 टू एप्रिल 2022 पर्यंत. सेति पे very very important. So you have to be careful that don't see that exam is going to be conducted in August. How can they be asking September 2020 question? They can be asking. See in this particular question, G. K. Vasudev Atare, G. Satish Reddy, C. S. Christopher or V. K. Saraswat. Answer in this particular question was V. K. Saraswat. V. K. Saraswat was awarded in that particular year. The military exercise of Indian Army Gandhi Vijay 2018 was concluded in which state? This particular question is very, you can say that military exercises are very very important. You have to be knowing. In our book we have wonderfully covered military exercises, state, which other country India has conducted some military exercise, we have covered. In this particular question the answer was Rajasthan. Rajasthan re hitila amaro the Gandhi Vijay 2018. Then which of the first indigenous battle tank of army? Is it A. Ajaya? Is it B. Arjuna? Is it C. Bhishma? Is it D. Vijayantha? Very important question. The answer in this particular question is Vijayantha. Vijayantha was the, you can say, the India's first indigenous battle tank. Then where was the Rafale aircraft acquired from? Where was Rafale aircraft acquired from? This particular question answer is clear and obvious. It is France. France to India, Dassault जो company अच्छी सेटा France रू India Reliance अनिल धीरूभाई अंबानी रो जो ग्रुप सहित इंडिया रो कोन साइन हेची MOU and they will be giving us the Rafale and the answer here is in France. Then where is the Indian National Defence University is under construction? India National Defence University कोठी अछि? Is it A. Amethi, Binola, Pune, Dehradun? The answer in this particular question is Binola. Binola is, where is it situated? It is situated near to Gurugram, Haryana. And another important thing is they can be asking you S-400 missile. S-400 missile India has purchased from Russia. Remember S-400 missile from Russia. And apart from this 64AH Apache 64AH, this particular India has acquired from you can say the USA. Very very important. Barak missile system India has acquired from Israel. Remember very important aspect, whichever defense deals are happening, that those are very very important. बहुत किसी जो defense deal होची सेटा को important हमरो class को subscriber नो पाई best research करी दिया हबो. And for our YouTube subscribers, you need to doing the research about what are the deals are happening, how it can be, how the question can be asked from this particular section. Apart from this, there is another question related to space. What is the lander of Chandrayaan-2 named as? Chandrayaan-2 रो कौन name ही थिला? जो lander थिला तारा name कौन थिला? Is it A. Raman? Is it B. Kalam? Is it C. Homi? Is it D. Vikram? The answer here in this question was the lander Vikram. Remember, lander Vikram was the lander for Chandrayaan-2 mission. So very very important. Space, if any kind of a space kind of a project has been undergoing by ISRO, you need to know that. Very very important. And our crash course subscribers, today we will be uploading current affair test number 8 and history part 1. जो माने हमारा crash course join करिबा को चाहउचंती, they can contact me 9937626493. Our crash course and our book will be helping you to crack ASO exam in flying colors. Our target for our crash course participant is 85 to 90 in general awareness paper itself. So don't be a mediocre. I would always suggest you, don't be a mediocre. Always set high target. When you set high targets, you will definitely achieve your goal in flying colors. खाली मीडियोकर रही नॉर्मल एवरेज पर्सन हिसाब से रहिले किछि लाभ नै. Always go for the sky. That's supposed to be your target. So it was all about your motivating you so that you will be aspiring to get ASO cracked this time itself. Thank you very much. Happy learning.